This is a 2005 BMW X3. It features a 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, an 8-speaker audio system, aluminum wheels, and roof rails. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, dusk sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and this vehicle has fewer than 53,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Saybrook Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1 Ford Drive in Old Saybrook.